I am Father Stanley Varghese. I am the rector and the principal of St. Joseph's School, North Point. The school was established in 1888 by Father Henry de Palchin, a Belgian priest. So the structures you see is basically actually a Belgian kind of structure. We believe not just educating the head. So we have 3H as a motto: heart, head, and hat. I am one of the guy who was negative towards AI in the beginning. But later when I realized AI also could be a boon. AI is the blessing tool of this generation. The world trends are changing. And if we don't walk with that, then we will be outdated. That's why we went into the interactive panels. What I realized, even in the interactive panels, there has been generations of growth. Teachmint may be the highest one as of now we have. Teacher can also use the AI along with teaching. And now the students have got variety of things which can challenge them, which can probe them, which makes them more curious to know. So in that sense, I think entirely a paradigm shift of pedagogy and curriculum, I would say.
One of the greatest features of Teachmint is the EduAI. As I teach French, there are lots of new words for the students. I take help of the EduAI app. I type it in the app, and the app does the pronunciation for me, and it does in a very native manner. Pronunciation and listening, these are the main things of learning any language. Teachmint has helped me a lot to create more engaging lessons, and it saves me the tedious work of making the lesson plan bit by bit. So yes, it helps me a lot.
I'm happy that we have Teachmint with North Point. It is the way forward. We don't need the textbook so much. There's not such a great reliance on the textbook. The entire textbook is stored on the board. We have more eye contact. We have about 500 of our students are boarders. So the parents are not here. They're not able to see their sons on a day-to-day basis. But using this technology, they could even access the classrooms, what's happening in class, what is my son learning. So it connects us, makes us into one small family. These are the reasons why administration has chosen to differentiate as well among so many smart tech companies.
All these interactive boards, whatever we are writing, it is getting automatically saved there. And it makes our job much easier. Especially now is the time when we are having a revision. And whatever we have done throughout the year, so in a very quick time, we are able to revise a lot of things, and that is clearing a lot of doubts for the children, and it is being very helpful for them. We can even show them certain videos related to the topics which was earlier not possible. So that definitely makes the class much more interesting for the children. The sooner all the other schools they implement this, it is better for them. As teachers, if we don't learn these new developments that are happening in education field, we are going to get outdated. So the schools who don't adapt these things, they will be left behind.